Hello guys and welcome. In this video I'm going to explain about the enums in TypeScript. So they are very easy topic. I will show you step by step. So enums basically they used to store a fixed or a constant values. For example, if you want to create your own gym plan for 7 days, let me show you how you created them. So first you have to provide the enum keyword. Okay, so after the enum keyword, your variable name. For example, I say like my gym plan, my gym workout plan. Okay, then create this open parenthesis and close parenthesis. Then let's create our days. I want to create my gym workout of 7 days plan. Let me create it a day 1 comma a day 2 comma a day 3, a day 4, a day 5, a day 6, and a day 7. Okay, so now I created successfully my gym workouts of my 7 days. Now they are workers like on the index system. You can access by this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 up to 6. So let me show you what I mean. That if you try to console.log my gym workout, okay, so my gym workout plan, the dots for example day 1, and let me save it and let me try to output. It says 0. Okay, it says 0 because this is starts from 0, 1 up to 6, so it is based on the index. Okay, so that is great. Now how we can access, how we can give to this constants value. Okay, so now for a day 1 I want to work using equal sign. You can assign, for example, I want to work a push and a barbell bench press. Okay, this is what I want to work in a day 1. On a day 2, for example, I have to say like pull and barbell deadlift. Okay, and for a day 3 I want to work a legs and a barbell squats. Okay, squats. And on day 4 I want to work out a push and also a push-up on day 4. On day 5 I want to work that a pull-up and pull-ups. Okay, and on a day 6 I want to work that a legs and a legs and what we call it a goblet shift. Okay, squat goblet squat. And I want to work on a day 7 which is a rest day. Okay, this is a rest day. So now I give for those corresponding days or constants a value. Okay, so which is nice. On day 1 I do push-up, day 2 these corresponding values. Okay, so now this is great. So now what if I console.log if my gym workout plan on a day 1, what do you think is gonna be happen? Let me save it and run it the code, and it's gonna give me it is a push-up and barbell and bench press. Okay, so what if on a day 2 is gonna happen? On a day 2 it's gonna happen based on this value. For example, if I provide day 2, it's gonna print that. Let me clear it and let me run again the code, and it's give me the pull-up, barbell and deadlift. Okay, so this is nice. Okay, so this is how we work on enums. They are very easy. They are to store using this enum keyword and using this curly braces and using this equal sign. You can give your values. Okay, so they are used to store a constant values. For example, if you console log the entire variable it will give you like this. Okay, it will give you like this. If you print the all, it give you the like a kind of key value pair, day 1 push up, day 2 like this. What if you want to store in a variable? For example, const my workout plan is equals to my gym workout plan dot for example my workout plan day 6, for example day 6, my workout plan of a day 6 is gonna be my gym workout plan dot, we have to access it, and it is a day 6. Now let me console.log my workout plan on day 6. What's gonna be happen? It's gonna legs and goblet squat. Okay, let me run it, and it's running. It's giving me the legs and goblet squat. Okay, so that is great, guys. So I show you that how we use the enums. I show you that how to store within a variable and how you access them. If you don't provide these values, they work based on the index value. Okay, so they are easy enums. You can get in my GitHub repo if you want the code. This is for today. Please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you on the next exciting part of TypeScript, which is the OOP. Until then, bye bye.